Hi everyone, welcome to our lesson 70. My name is Professor Robert, and in today's lesson, we'll practice more of long division of polynomials. I'll work out a couple of other examples in the future lessons because this is a subject or a topic that really bothers many students. So please tag along and we learn together. So again, we have our example written out, 3x squared minus x plus 1 minus 2x cubed plus 3x to the power 4 being divided by x squared plus 2. Okay, again, we have our long division sign, and we know that the divisor is now x squared plus 1, and the dividend is 3x squared minus x plus 1 minus 2x cubed plus 3x to the power 4. But as I told you, we need to arrange this expression in a descending order from uh, the expression with the highest exponential value down to one which has got the least exponential value. So that means instead of this expression here being written in that order, original order, we have to start with 3x to the power 4. 3x to the power 4. Then we have minus 2x to the power 3. Then we have plus 3x to the power 2. Then we have minus x, and then we have positive 1. All right? Okay. So now we look for an expression here, which when we multiply by x squared will give us 3x to the power 4. And that should be 3x squared. Because 3x squared times x squared will give us 3x to the power 4. Then we have to multiply 3x squared by 1. And that gives us plus 3x squared. Please mark my arrangement of the like terms under each other. So when we subtract the new expression from the original one, we have minus 2x cubed, 3x squared minus 3x squared will give us 0. Then we have minus x plus 1. Then again, we look for an expression up when multiplied by x squared should give us minus 2x cubed. And that one will be minus 2x, because minus 2x multiplied by x squared will give us minus 2x cubed. And then 2x times minus 2x times 1 will give us minus 2x. Then again, we subtract our new expression from what we have above here. And this will give us 0. And then this one will give us x. Minus x minus minus 2x will give us x plus 1. And once we get to this point, we have to stop because our highest exponential value here for our variable x is 1, and yet the quotient here has got x squared. So the final answer to this expression becomes 3x squared minus 2x plus x plus 1 over the quotient, which is x squared plus 1. And that becomes our final answer. All right. So if this lesson helped you, don't forget to like, share with anyone you like, anyone you think likes it or needs it, and please subscribe for more algebra made simple. See you in the next lesson then. Bye for now.